Hello and welcome, guys. Today we'll talk about article. Well, but keep one thing in your mind, we're not talking about newspaper articles which are published in the newspaper or detailed news about something, but we'll talk about the article of English grammar. So let's get started. So first we'll talk about article and the number of article. Well, an article is a word that defines a noun. Well, a noun can be specific or unspecific. But if we talk about the number of articles, they are only three. There are only three articles in English language. Those are a, an, and the. Now let's learn the names of these articles, a and the. Well, a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. Indefinite article means unspecific article, an unspecific thing, whereas definite article means a specific article, a specific thing. Keep this idea in your mind, it will help you while using article in the sentences. If you remember, in the definition of article we have learned that article are the words which are used with unspecific or specific nouns. Well, so here we have found unspecific and specific article. So it shows that unspecific articles will be used with unspecific nouns, whereas specific article will be used with specific nouns. So let's try it. I saw a book. Well, a book. Why we have used indefinite article here with the book? Because book is unspecific. We don't know which book we are talking about. If a noun, here a noun is a book. If a noun is unspecific, we are using an unspecific article, indefinite article with that, which we have used here in this sentence. I saw a book. We don't know which book. The book is not specific. Well, the book I saw was interesting. The book I saw was very old. Well, now the book is what? Specific. Very old. The book I saw. I'm talking about one book. Yes, one specific book. The book I saw was very old. So now the book is what? Specific. So that's why we are using definite article with book. To be very old is the speciality of the book, so it makes it a specific noun. That's why we are using definite article with it. Well, another example, I took a delicious cup of tea. Well, I took a delicious cup of tea, but which cup of tea he's talking about? Who gave him? Where he got the cup of tea from? Nobody knows. Whereas on the other hand, the cup of tea you gave me was delicious. Now, cup of tea is what? Specified, specific, a special one. The one you gave me. I hope you understood the idea, guys. Well, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. And thanks for watching. I'll see you with a new topic, new video. Till then, take care.